Now we will solve question number 7. So figure 3 shows part of the curve C1 with equation y equals to 3 sine x, where x is measured in degrees. The point P and Q lie on C1, and are shown on figure 3. So state coordinate of P and coordinate of Q for the first part. So if you can see this, we usually know the diagram of sine x, and there's a constant plus 3 in front of sine x, which means that the normal equation y equals to sine x is basically stretched 3 units vertically. So which makes it the maximum is now 3 and the minimum is now minus 3. And there has been no change in x. So which makes it, this is 0, this is 90 degree, this is 180 degree, this is 270 degree, this is 360 degree, this is 450 degree, and this is 540 degree. So it's very simple from the basic concept of sine x, y equals to sine x graph. So we can say that the coordinate of point of P is 90 degree, 3, and the coordinate of Q is 540 degree, 0. So we are done with part A. Now let's see what the part B says. A different curve C2 has equation y equals to 3x plus k. So there's another graph which is basically another vertical transformation of y equals to 3x, and the transformation is basically a sum of plus k. So now says that the curve C2 has a maximum of y, and the value of y is 10. So for this graph, we know that for y equals to 3 sine x, the maximum is y equals to 3 and the minimum of y is minus 3. So if this graph has a maximum of 10, that means a plus 7 unit, the curve is vertically raised plus 7 units. So k is plus 7, so which makes it y equals to 3 sine x plus 7. So now if you look at this, the maximum of this portion is plus 3 plus 7 is 10. Now the question says the point R is the minimum of C2, the minimum turning point of C2 with the smallest positive x coordinate. So if you look at the graph, now y equals to 3 sine x is basically shifting this entire figure 3 7 units on the top. So let me show it besides. So basically we will go 7 units up, and the entire graph will shift 7 units up. So this is y equals to 3 sine x, and this is y equals to 3 sine x plus 7, and this is 3, and for this we have to do that if the maximum from this point is 3 more unit, which makes it 10, the minimum is also 3 unit below 7, so that is 7 minus 3, that is 4 unit, and the point we have to find the point R, which is the first minimum point with positive x coordinate. So the first minimum point with positive x coordinate is this is R according to the question. So again, if you read the line, the point R is the minimum point on C2 with the smallest positive x coordinate. So this is also another minimum point. This is also a minimum point and this is also a minimum point. But the first minimum or the smallest positive x is basically this point, and this is called R. So again, there has been no change in x. So this remains 0. This remains 90 degree. This remains 180 degree. And this remains 270 degree. So which makes the coordinate of R to be 270 degree, comma 4. So this is the answer to part B.